good?
Yep.
Okay. Hey Dan, have a look, I think it's diving on the front.
Diving? Jesus Christ. There you go. Sit forward a bit. Archie, can you have a look? Thanks, mate. I haven't done them up yet, just want to double check them. Oh yeah. There you go. Thanks, mate.
Yeah. You good?
Yep.
Give your hand, alright? I'll make sure this one's straight. You got it? You can do it.
Go as far forward as you can. No.
Yep. Alright, have you done the belt all the way forwards first?
No,
The seat?
Got a cable tied in.
Sweet. So we'll do, I think we've got to finish that one for a sec. So you see this? It's got to go down. Yeah?
Okay.
Because then it won't. So now clip him in, man. You got it. It's hard with gloves on. That's it. Well done. Oh, no. Push him all the way in, man.
Yeah.
Got
Want
it?
him to take
Sweet.
it easy or just go for it?
You may as well go
Alright,
for it.
you got it.
Alright.
Now, yep, sometimes if you take your gloves off, it makes it heaps easier, alright? Now you got one more on the side here. This one? Yep, got it. That's it. Got it. Nice and hard. That's it. Sweet, now you got that one. One more to go.
Do you want your clubs in?
And during the race, Archie
No, it's
or
alright.
Daniel will
Sure?
No.
get into this for you.
Make sure you're right. You good? Alright, so, yep, pull them ones down, real good. Yep. Ready? Put both hands on one. Put both hands on it. That's just, yep, nice and tight. That's it. Now that one, both hands on. Now how does that feel?
That's good.
Left and right?
Clutch is all right, Coot.
Beautiful. Alright, the side ones, we're good?
Yep.
Got to put a bit of tension on it, alright mate?
Okay.
You don't want to move around much. That good?
Yep.
Alright, you got your comms on?
Comes, no.
Yep, alright, coming on, we're moving over top. I got it. You got it. Alright, you happy?
Yep.
Gloves on?
No, it won't fit.
Have
Don't worry
fun.
about it.
Your helmet's tight?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No comms, Coop, it's too short. We'll adjust it later.
Alright.
Do you want your window up or down?
Half.
Like that?
Yeah, a little bit more. Yep.
Like that.
Yeah, put it in the back first.
Yeah. Couldn't get the front up. Yep. Happy?
Yep. Which one is it? Yep.
So what are we doing?
That one.
What are we doing? 5 laps, Daniel?
Yeah, 5. I'll count them down.
All right.
Just that way. Yep. So, isn't it? Yep. Give it a good. Remember? Oh. Give it a couple of revs. Give it a couple of revs. Start again. If you're not 100% confident, don't give it too much.
Yeah.
Take it easy, take your time.
Yeah.
Smooth on the gears, all that sort of stuff, alright?
If I can find them.
Hey?
If I can even find them.
Yep, you'll be right. But like I said, that, you know, nice and gentle, you'll be right. That's it, that's it. In. That's it, that's it. Send it. That's it. Good job, good job. Stay in it, stay in it. Flat out, flat out, flat out. Stay in, stay in. Stay in. Righto. Stay in, stay in, stay in. That's it, that's it. Stay in. That's it, good job. Stay on the track. Over. Stay over, stay over. Stay over. Stay over, stay over, stay over. You couldn't see him, could you?
Nah.
Yeah. You gotta watch, mate, you gotta watch. That was fifth. Down. That's it, there you go. You don't have to brake, you can just get off it. That's it, that's it. Let the car go. Over, that's it. Stay in third. Down into second. That's it. Let it out. Turn it in. Flatten it. That's it, that's it, that's it. Little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. Go. Third. Third. That's it. Hold it, hold it. Deeper, 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 deeper. Now. Third. Clutch out. Like I said, you've got to let the clutch out.
Yeah.
That's it, that's it. Hold it. Drift out. Drift out. Third. Keep going, keep going. Stay in it, stay in it, stay in it, stay in it. Fourth. Go, 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 go. Stay in it, it'll hold you. Go. That's it, that's it. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Now. Right. That's it, that's it. Second. Clutch out. Round you go. Nice. Third. That's it, that's it. Hold it. Fourth. Watch where you're going. That's it, that's it. Left over. Now. Third. Second. Get all your braking done, that's it. A little bit too hard on the brakes, a little bit too much. That's it, that's it. Get into it, get into it. Leave it in second. That's it, that's it. Get up on the revs. That's it, that's it. Send it. I think you're in fourth. It's alright, stay there. Right, third. Off it, third. That's it, there you go. Stay in third. Round you go. Out wide. Hold it. Braking, second. That's it, turn it in. There you go, there you go. Send it, send it, send it.
That's cool.
You're in fourth again.
It feels like bloody 30 seconds.
You're braking a bit too hard. There you go. you go, that's second. That's it, that's better, that's better. That's it, good, line. Third. That's it. Right, one more lap. I'm not going to do anything. That's it, that's it. Good job, dude. Good job. That was a really good lap. If that Subaru didn't come in underneath you, that would have been a cracker. You're up. Yep. Clutch in, clutch in.
Yep.
That way.
Oh, there's the gas.
Yeah. Yeah, you nailed it that last run. Good job. Good job, mate. Clutch, yep, that's it. Even if you leave it there, that'll be alright. Beautiful, dude.
Nice.
That wasn't bad.
That was pretty good.
So you see what I mean? Like, it'll hold you as you're coming in. It will hold you.
Yeah.
You've just got to be really good with your gears. That's all. You keep remembering your gears.
Yeah.
So pick your shiftings points. You don't have to rev it right out. So this is the point that your dad was probably saying is we've got 24 hours of this. So if you're smashing it to the limiter every single time, it's more and more stress.
Yeah.
All right. So shift second to third at 80. shift third to fourth at 110. Do you know what I mean? So if you pick your marks as you drop, rather than run the car out, and then into the next gear, just because it pulls the stress off the motor, it takes all the revs off. Longevity.
Yeah.
So if you just back it down just a little bit and shift a little earlier, you can brake a little deeper. You're braking really early. You can probably go just an extra
little bit
10 meters, 15 meters sort of thing. But yeah, dude, like that last lap, fucking that hairpin, you fucking nailed that hairpin.
And that was the hairpin that I went off last time.
Exactly, you nailed it.
And I saw it coming off. I was like, oh shit.
Nah, you did good.
Push your seat back. We've got 2 hours to get 4 or 5 races out.
You got comms.
He actually sits too far forward, so we're gonna have to move it.
Alright, got to fix your comms up.
Right, Johnny.
Jono!
Big
Jump
John.
on in, Jono! Do you want me to hold your pack of cigarettes?